Alright, hey everyone. Welcome to another developer commentary of the FxPlugin, as well as demo. So, I've added a few things. If it ever I don't know why my game keeps doing that. It might be because I have so much crap open. But anyway, I've added a few things. Well, actually, I've only added one thing today, but it's version 1.2.0. And if you look over here, you can see a few particles just floating around in the sky, besides the ones that I have. So, I've added a new command, FxWorld. And that's a bug I gotta work out, but at the current time, that's a 5x5 square, by the way. 5 blocks by 5 blocks. It's kind of weird. Anyway, when you do that, you are given a blaze rod with infinity 10 and the name FxCrit. Change it to magic. As you can see, you get, well, what I need to do is set up a message that tells you to initialize it. Enchantment. Okay, so basically what I added is you can now have one block emit particles anywhere in the world. But it's always tied to this, or to your config here. So your world ID. This is the world particle ID. 18. As you can see, my player effect ID is 15, which is portal. So if I change that to 15, now it's putting hearts out for some reason, because, oh, it went back to 30. Okay, so I can't really change my config, because it keeps it loaded. Green sparkle, slime, cloud, crit. Let me go back to portal. Okay, there you go. Now you can see it's 15. And then this is just the location in my where is it? Here in the list. So that would be 0, and that would be I think 16 or 15 or something. Anyway, so there's portal. There's enchantment. So it has all of the same effects as the player, except that they are a 5x5 by 5. It has a 5x5. It has a radius of 5 in either direction. Or, yeah, a radius of 5. So, except it's square. So a square radius of 5. And that the only problem at the only thing because I just added it, and I'm still working on getting it all working and whatnot. You cannot change the emit rate, or the radius, or the particle count yet. I plan on adding that later, and you can only have one location. I'm planning on figuring out a way to have more than one location. But right now I just have to, because what I'm doing is I'm doing on the click event, store the locations X, Y, and Z coordinates here, as well as the world, which I don't need anymore, but it's there because whatever. And then, oh, that's whatever. There's still a few things that I have to fix. It's a very messy code. I haven't cleaned it up or I haven't polished it up yet. I just implemented it. Anyway, I'm working on getting it to store more than one location, as well as different particle types. So if you wanted fire here, and then say you want to come over here and do lava or splash particles, at the moment you can only have one either or at one location. You can't have, yeah, you get the idea. And then it always changes when you change this, because it just checks your config setting. I think that's all I've done. I haven't changed the hoe growth yet. Or the wand of growth, rather. Yeah, that still works. Anyway, that's all for now that I can think of. I don't know. I can't think of what else I did. But when I do, I'll just make another version and make another video. Yeah. So, I'll keep you posted. Until next time.